To my channel, and this is my featured look today. And this is very different for her. She doesn't do a lot of eyeshadow, so definitely did something a lot darker, but still very blended, I guess. Yeah, so we'll show you how to make this look now. Primer. This is like for red stuff. I really like it though. I really feel like it does nothing to control the red.
You gotta do the like...
I think you only do that with brushes. She's white. I'm just going to pick these dark ones apart.
What is that?
Water weight. That's why I wanted to use it because I don't think you've used it.
No. It comes in a dropper.
It's super lightweight, but it's very buildable. So you can put multiple layers on if you want like a high coverage. But I love how it feels like there's nothing on. It just feels like skin. I do really like this cover. This is like perfect skin color for you. It really is. So now you know which one to buy.
20?
I think this one's 15.
It's probably like on my face. There you go. Okay.
I'm gonna use this one.
Yeah.
Between these two. We'll do this first. Give you a little more chiseled jaw. Turn towards me.
So say, do you want me to do
I don't know
anything?
if I did that. Awkward. Really awkward. I don't really know where your cheekbones are yet. My first time with you. Well, this is a really good contour color for you.
Very ashy.
Yeah.
Which I like because
I hate warm contours. I absolutely agree with you.
I wonder how it will do with the light weight. Like, I wonder if the foundation or whatever it is like just moving away.
I didn't usually. I noticed that with this one, it does if you. That's why I did 2 layers.
Yeah, because sometimes when something thick on top of
a thinner,
it just like literally disappears, and you're like, oh, okay.
I like to take my 170.
Love that brush.
Yes. Do you even have it?
Yeah, you gave it to me.
Oh yeah, with the kit. The starter kit.
At this point, I'm just applying a highlighter on the sections that I want to really lighten and have a natural light look. Going through towards the forehead, the top of the nose, the chin. I also like to do the smile lines just because, you know, if you're going out for the event, you like a little extra coverage. And of course, underneath the eyes.
Usually we're on a camp trip.
To really give a softer, more natural makeup look. And I will go in and blend this as well. With a lot of blending, making it very natural, yet still a highlight.
Yeah, and it's like I put my concealer and foundation on my eyelids
at the same time. And then I just like to blend one more time. No, I would totally tell you, don't worry. I'm not your friend from school. I just dip this way. How do you dip?
Yeah.
Try to pull out the hairs though.
When I dip, you dip, we dip.
I have a big forehead, even though you don't have a big forehead like me. I'm just used to it. That's my procedure.
It smells like something.
Cocaine. I don't know. I just smelled it as it was right. I don't know. It smells like a doctor's office to me.
Yeah.
Like the latex powders, maybe that's what it is. Are we putting glove powder on our eyes? Thank you, MAC Cosmetics. We caught on to your secrets. We should title this one. I like to push my baking powder in rather than like wiping away. Is that something you do, or is that just me?
That makes sense.
This is a really clean brush.
Love that brush.
MAC 150. Good one. Really clean. I literally just put so much of this stuff on because I just feel like you wipe every time you touch your face, it comes off, you know? Mm-hmm. Now we're going to do a round 2 of contouring.
With powder?
Yes, with the MAC 129. We're going to probably use the light one on her today. Here for you. Mm.
At this point, I am adding a contour around her nose to make her nose appear smaller and to give it that really photo finished, perfect button nose. And I will also do the top of the lip with that same color.
Ooh, love this color.
Melba, my favorite one.
I don't know, it's just really cute.
I literally don't, oh, yeah, you can see it. I literally don't buy any color with this. It's so light and perfect. All right, Beauty Creations. This is a brand new palette. Never been used.
Look at the outside.
I know that's a joke. Probably use this between this one and this one. It's a little too warm. She doesn't like warm, but that's her color. And this one's dark but ashy. So we'll mix them. Do you want gel or do you want crayon or pencil for this part?
Gel.
Okay. Good, because I don't know where my crayons were.
Look at these brows. Who am I?
Love that. Cole's going to be like, what did you do to your face?
Here I'm just going over and touching up and cleaning up any eyebrow that I don't want. If I made it too thick, too round, not put enough angles in it. This is the part where I clean up anything that I'm unhappy or unsatisfied with and really just give it that perfect brow shape.
You have much more room in between your eyebrows than me. I feel
like one eye.
Okay.
So you like do one, you can even like turn it off.
And film the whole, do the whole eye?
Yeah, so you like do the whole eye, and then you like film reciprocating it on the next eye.
Oh, okay.
So if you like mess up or change things, it's not. Oh. Mm.
To do other people's hair takes a little.
At this point, I'm just going through with a light shadow and really just doing solid blending, really creating that shape that I want. Going through with a darker shadow, getting more of that smokier and continuing to blend, and I will continue to add the colors that I want one at a time with a really, really, really well blend. Soft brushes and really soft, fine strokes.
That camera died, guys.
Oops. But we're back. Hope you missed us.
Did you? So now we've got the eyeshadow done, and we're gonna just take a empty, clean, very bushy, not even that one actually, a clean bushy one, and start to wipe up some of this under.
What does that have to do with anything?
I just want to let you know it does matter a lot. Oh, and this is the water weight NC20 blender from earlier. And clean up just a teeny bit. Act as a second bake. But I don't really want that translucent powder to stay because it will turn it kind of white. I've noticed if you use it. Because I'm going to cover it up. And now I'm just using some black track. MAC. I don't really.
Your wrists look broken there.
Oh, break of the wrist. And I'm honestly not even making a line. I'm just making something so that the eyelashes will stick to it and you won't be able to see. the separation of her eyelashes and the fake false.
So all we have now to put her on is a pair of lashes, and I will even let her keep them. Me? Oh. I'll just invoice you for
the food.
Are you videotaping this whole thing?
Yeah.
Oh,
Say hello to the camera.
hello, camera.
It's like you'll be edited out.
I hope so.
Right now I'm just going through with a light
did you
powder
leave her a big
to
tip for
smooth
the
everything
buttoning up?
out. Just going through really
Wow, it was
adding
showing
almost
us-
like a highlight, yet just not as bright of a powder as you would for a highlight, and just really fine tuning any lines or wrinkles from talking or
confused.
moving.
Somebody's birthday and you made her.
camera. All right, we have a few finishing steps, and then
Say
we'll call you
hi.
back.
And then, hi, and then what do you do?
Just makeup maybe another day. Don't scrunch, just soft, just
Makeup takes a long time.
yes.
And our
You're gonna do your makeup after this?
Yeah. I'll just send you a bill though. I wish you highlighted your nose more.
It smells like vanilla.
Doesn't it smell so good?
My face is currently still wet.
I know. That's how I like it.
Oh, I look like a wet pig.
Tart. Man eater. Your eyes do look really.
Now I'm just adding some lip liner, going over the Cupid's bow, not really enhancing the shape or making it larger, just really cleaning up the lines. Very natural lip.
I feel like it's not noticeable until you put it on.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at the mirror instead. I like that. That's perfect.
Oh god, there's a dog fight outside.
It's probably that.
Oh wait, we gotta do this as my YouTube channel.
Oh yeah.
What do I look like right now? Okay.